Audio CD 2, track 32. Word focus. 1. Stuff. Jane put all of her stuff into the bag.
2. Outlet. This cafe has outlets all over the city.
3. Deal. The store is offering great deals on electronics.
4. Besides. I think it's a nice watch. Besides, I promised that I would get her a gift.
5. In stock. Sorry, we don't have any of these computers in stock right now.
6. Collect. Please collect your things from this desk and leave.
7. Receipt. You cannot return this item without the receipt.